Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another episode of Beautiful You. Today we thought we'll bring you a nighttime skincare routine since it's the winters and your skin needs some extra pampering. For me, skincare is, I just love it. It's my me time for myself and I really need it with my shoots and stuff. I need to keep my skin clear. And it's a whole, it's like an at-home spa experience of sorts, and it really relaxes you and puts you to sleep better. So today I'll take you through the basics, the very basics of skincare. The very basic things you can do for yourself is starting with cleansing. First you need to take off your makeup, or just in general, nowadays with the pollution and stuff, it's better if you follow 2 to 3 steps for cleansing itself. So I start off with taking off my makeup with either wipes or a micellar water or some cleansing milk, depending on how my skin's feeling that day. And even you need to determine what sort of skin you have, and then you can determine the sort of cleanser you should be using. I've already cleansed my skin today. And post that, again, once or twice a week, it's very important for you to exfoliate your skin, because that removes all the dead skin cells, it exfoliates your pores, and all in all, it's really needed, because without that, the products are not going to go into your skin. So I've already cleansed my skin today. I've used my micellar water first, and then I've used my face wash. The next steps would be toning, moisturizing, applying a protection, and then you're all done. I'll take you through it bit by bit. Okay, you need to make sure your hands are completely clean before you touch your face and start applying anything on your face, because there could be a lot of bacteria, and that's what you need to avoid getting into your skin, so that your skin stays nice, you don't get acne and stuff. And in fact, I'm gonna make sure that I use a sanitizer now before I go ahead, so that if there is any bacteria at all, I make sure I kill it. So like I said, the next step is toning. Toning does a lot for your skin. It balances your skin, it cleans it further, and it detoxifies your skin. You'll see sometimes when you apply a toner, even though you've cleansed it so much, you'll see some more gunk coming out of your skin. Make sure for all your skincare routine, you try and keep the strokes upwards. You don't want to sag your skin. You want to give it a natural facelift of sorts. So there I've toned my skin, and I see very few impurities. That means my cleanser has done a good job. I'm happy with it. Okay, so we're done with the second step of our skincare routine, that's toning. The next thing I'll do is I'll use a moisturizer. Now there are a whole lot of moisturizers available in the market. You've got to determine according to your skin type what suits you well. Go to your skin doctor. That would be the best advice. In fact, if you're using a variety of moisturizers and serums, make sure you use from the lightest to the heaviest, because your skin absorbs the lightest first. And if you put the heavier product earlier, your skin's not going to end up absorbing the water-based or the lighter products. I'm just going to go ahead and apply one moisturizer. Again, upward strokes. Make sure you apply your skincare on your neck as well. I'm using this Effaclar Duo by La Roche-Posay. I've been using it for quite some time now, and it's really been helping me. It's for anti-marks and pores and everything, so it's like a moisturizer and quite a nice, all-in-one cream. After this, I'm going to be using this eye cream. It's actually collagen, and it's got a roll-on, so that really helps with the puffiness, and collagen itself is known to give you youthful skin. So this is another product I really like. Now for your eyes, whenever you massage your eyes, make sure you're very gentle with it, because the skin around your eyes is very, very delicate. You've got to use your ring finger and just go in the anti-clock direction. Just give yourself a nice soothing massage, relaxes your eyes. Now apart from this, since it's the winters and I want to give my skin some extra nourishment, I'm going to add in some oil as well. This is Botanics Rosehip Oil. You can actually put it on your entire face if you feel like it. Just going to put some around my eyes. Again, the same anti-clock massaging. So now there's this extra pampering I'm going to do for myself. I'm using the Hydrating Sleeping Mask by Innisfree. It's with green tea. And I think anything, you can just, it's just so simple. Any of these masks, whether they are sheet masks or gels or creams, it's just so easy. You just put it on and you sleep. You've got to do nothing. And you provide yourself with that extra boost of nourishment. So why not? Tap it all over your skin. This is just gonna lock in everything that we've applied so far. Last but not the least, I'm gonna also apply my lip balm. Also very important to exfoliate your lips. You can just use the scrub that you're using on your face, or you can actually prepare a very simple lip scrub yourself. It's very important to exfoliate your lips also, because that's when the dead skin cells will go, and that's when all your products are actually gonna work. And last but not the least, this lavender hand cream smells really nice, moisturizes my hands. If you've got really dry skin, it will help to moisturize your body also, but I personally don't prefer that. There you go, guys. I'm all done with my nighttime skincare routine, and I'm looking like a glazed donut. And I think when you achieve that, that's when you know you've done a good job with your nighttime skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, do write into us. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and keep watching Beautiful You for more.